Hello students, today we have seen class 7th English chapter number 3.1 Sleep Baby Sleep workshop questions and answers. First, sing the song. Question number 2, find the rhyming words used in the song. First, sleep. Answer, sheep. Second, trees. Tree. Bright night. Bee. Bee. Dog. Rub. Go. So. Question number 3. The mother in this poem uses various ideas to make the child close its eyes and sleep. Find the stanzas where the following ideas are used. Ideas and stanzas. First, threaten in a loving manner, stanza 4. Second, create a pleasant picture, stanza first. Remove the threat and make the child feel safe. Answer is stanza 5. Describe a night in a beautiful manner. Answer is stanza 2. Promise a gift. Answer is stanza 3. Question number 4. Activity. Form groups of 6 to 8. List the favorite songs and poems of all group members. Make a long list by putting together all lists prepared by the different groups. You may choose songs or poems from any language. Now describe your favorite songs with the help of the labels given below. Note that you can select more than one label for a poem. For example, The Duck and the Kangaroo by Edward Lear is a funny poem as well as narrative poem. Answer. First, Sleep Baby Sleep, Lullaby. Second, Children Are Going to School, Ballad. Third, We Shall Overcome, inspirational song. 4. Minnie and Winnie, Lullaby. 5th, Bingo, nursery rhyme. 6. Cuckoo, nature poem. 7. Sour grapes, funny. 8. सारे जहां से अच्छा, patriotic song. 9. कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, marching. Translate the labels into your mother tongue. Answer is patriotic song, देशभक्ति पर गीत. Second, lullaby, अंगाई गीत और लोरी. Third, romantic song, प्रणय गीत. Fourth, funny song or poem, विनोदी गीत, कविता. Title song, शीर्षक गीत. Prayer, प्रार्थना. बल्लाद, पोवाडे, लावणी. नेचर पोयम, निसर्ग कविता. सैड सॉन्ग, पोयम, करुण रसयुक्त गीत और कविता. जिंगल, नाद मधुर गीत. इंस्पिरेशनल सॉन्ग, स्फूर्ति गीत. मार्चिंग सॉन्ग, संचलन गीत. वेलकम सॉन्ग, स्वागत गीत. सॉन्ग फॉर अ स्पेशल ओकेजन, प्रासंगिक गीत. नेरेटिव पोयम, कलात्मक कविता. फोक सॉन्ग, लोकगीत. नर्सरी राइम, बालगीत. रिलिजियस सॉन्ग, धार्मिक गीत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.